Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's problem statement is write a Java program to swap two numbers without using a third variable. For example, inputs are a equal to 10, b equal to 20. We just swap a and b. So a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. Here we are using arithmetic and logic building concepts. So first we are going to see about how to swap two numbers using third variable. After that, we just moving into the without using third variable. So int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Okay, they are our inputs. First, using third variable, int temp equal to b. So first we store a equal to a into the temporary variable and storing b to b value to a and b equal to 10, right? Here what we are doing, first we create one variable, temporary variable, and store a value into the temporary variable, and we store b value into the a value and b equal to temporary variable, right? First here, what is a equal to 10, so we store 10 into the temporary variable and b value is 20. So now a equal to 20 and here temporary value equal to 10. Now b equal to, here we just store temporary value into the b. So b equal to, what is temporary value? 10, right? So here that's it. Now you see a equal to 20, b equal to 10. We just swap the value. Just print s out. A s out. B value is b. We just run this program. Here see, we declare a equal to 10, b equal to 20, but the output is a is 20, b is 10. We just swap the two values using third variable. Okay, now move to the next method without using third variable. I'll just comment this. Okay. So just think how to swap two variables without using third variable. I mean the temporary variable. How can we swap a equal to 10, b equal to 20? We need the output like b a equal to 20, b equal to 10. Let's see, a equal to a plus b, right? Now a is 10, b is 20, right? So the now a is 30. We just store a equal to 30. Now b equal to a minus b, right? Now what b hold? A is 30 now, right? Minus b is 20, right? Now the value is 10. So B old 10. Now we just store A, just remove B, right? And A equal to again A minus B, because now A is 30 minus B is now 10, right? Because before the step we just remove B, just hold A, right? So B is 10, now A is 20. We just swap these two numbers A and B using arithmetic operations. Mm, just S out A, S out B is, just run this program. You can see this A equal to 20, B is 10. But the actual value is A is 10, B is 20, right? It's swapped. So with using third variable is, we are using temporary variable and swap the numbers using the temporary variable. Without using temporary variable is using arithmetic operations, using plus and minus operations. Okay, that's it. Thank you.